That perfectly smoked brisket, baby. Let's go. You're going to start by patting it down, getting all that excess moisture off, trim it all up, take the fat off the top, get that decal trimmed right down. That will never render. It will never be good. Flip it over. You're going to start by just chopping her down, get that fat off. You know, any excess fat over a quarter of an inch, you want to take it all the way down. It's going to show a little bit if you want on the point. I think that's a super fatty piece, especially with this Canadian Wagyu briskets. It's going to show a little bit, but hey, that's not going to hurt it. We're going salt, pepper, and garlic on this one. Super simple, but absolutely amazing. A yellow mustard binder. French is in the house. We're going very liberal on the fat side because that will basically soak up a lot of that seasoning. Nice and peppery on the top. That will bark up like crazy. Make sure you get all your sides on the smoker at 245. We ran these straight through all smoke to 201 and then rested them for 3 hours before we sliced into them. Look at that perfect brisket. Amazing slices. The point is absolutely melt in your mouth. I don't know what else you'd want. I run mine straight on the smoker. I